Hi guys, we've been sent the MHPOWOS 220 watt portable solar panel. So we're going to open it up, do a review for you to check out. So receiving the package, we've had a look around and the box is all really good, which is always somewhat good when it's high-tech performing solar. So what I like about this is no unnecessary packaging. It literally is the cardboard and the solar, but it's nice and tight and it's all been delivered well. So on with the panel. What I also like is the size of it. It's a nice light sort of briefcase style. So first impression so far, really good. Let's see what's in the zipped up area. So inside you have all your cables. So there's your XT60. Oh, that's it. And then there's your little booklet. So let's open it up and see it to its full extent. Oh, it has these legs, so which way is it? That way, so we have to make sure that's the ground. Sun's over there. Well, it's a decent size, nice and light. So there it is. So let's plug it into the MHPOWOS power bank and see what sort of charge we're getting. It's not the brightest of Sundays, even though it looks like quite glary. It's still a bit cloudy, so we're not expecting massive things from it, but let's see. So from the solar panel you have your positive and negative cable, and that goes into your positive and negative on your XT60 cable. And they just click together like so, nice and steady. The XT60 then simply clicks into your power station, and it'll work with all power stations, well, majority of power stations, like the MHPOWOS, like the Jackery, like Bluetti, like all the other brands, EcoWorthy, EcoFlow. So let's see what sort of power we're drawing from this. So currently, like I said, a bit overcast, sun is shining but it's cloudy of the sky. So we're currently drawing in 145 watts. So all in all, I believe it's a very versatile portable solar panel choice. You know, it's lightweight, which weighs about 5 kilograms. When folded, it's about 23 by 20 inches, which is perfect for sort of camping, off-gridding, out and about like we are. So yeah, it's a really good choice, and it's slightly cheaper than some of the competitors out there. A slight concern might be that it is a bit flimsier than others we've had, like the MHPOWOS what we've had. But that's not to say it's a bad thing, because then you balance that with the lightweight ability, and yeah, so it is good. It is showerproof and weatherproof and windproof. So then after a few hours and your power bank is fully charged, to put it away into storage, you literally just go like that, fold that up, that zips into this nice little zip up compartment here. This folds in like that, that folds around like that. And it's easy as that, and off you go. Like I said, it's very lightweight, very compact, 5 kilograms, 21 inches by 20 inches. It's definitely a good choice. And if you're someone like a gamer, you have a bit of a man cave in your shed, again, perfect choice. Yeah, guys, if you are interested in these, check out the description where we have a really good discount code, so you won't go far wrong with this.